The entire afternoon was perfect, starting with hotel pickup by a red tuk-tuk. First stop was a market, where our guide took us around to show many different ingredients we would be using in our dishes. We then went to the school and picked the dishes we wanted to make, 3+ Thai iced tea and mango sticky rice. Then, while the staff was gathering our ingredients, we took a tour of the farm with our chef, Chef Nook. She was both entertaining and informative. After about 15 minutes we returned to our stations to start prepping our dishes. 7 of us chose the upgrade to air conditioning. Glad we did, especially with the mosquitoes. We chose a variety of dishes and Chef Nook walked us seamlessly through prepping each one. After the prep work was done, the cooking started. We made each dish with her helpful and enthusiastic guidance. Once we were finished, time flew, we sat down to our feast. It was so much food, might have been better to do the morning class for me as I'm not used to eating late, 6:30 or so. After trying to devour our meals, Chef Nook walked us through making mango sticky rice, savor. It was delicious. The entire afternoon couldn't have been better. Right from the beginning, this was a great day. The driver arrived right on time, and got us to the market to join up with our guide/teacher, Satang. Satang was just amazing. She was funny, smart, engaging, and everything you want in a teacher, and how she remembered everyone's needs was awesome. I learned a lot from her on this tour, including some ingredients I didn't know to techniques to getting the best out of them. The school itself was incredible, with several working kitchens and multiple tours happening all at once. They introduced us to some local flavors in their organic garden. We got to make 5 dishes alap, including dessert and the local drink, Thai milk tea. I can't recommend Mama Noise or Satang enough. My advice, just do it. I've been to many cooking classes all over the world and this was by far the best. I wish I could remember the name of our teacher because she was so much fun. She had us all laughing and having a great time. The food we cooked was excellent. The atmosphere was fun, relaxed and beautiful. We learned a lot at the market, then in their organic garden as well. I can't recommend them enough, and that's saying a lot for me. We opted for the upgraded air-conditioned room and it was so comfortable, even for me who is hot all the time. I had an amazing time at Mama Noi cooking class. The staff was so nice and fun, it created a great mood between everybody. We got to cook 3 Thai traditional meals, on top of Thai tea and mango sticky rice. It was super fun, and then we all ate together and everything tasted delicious. I 100% recommend this experience if you're looking to meet some people and learn a bit about Thai food. It was a highlight of my trip to Chiang Mai. This was an excellent way to spend half a day in Chiang Mai. Our host was amazing, educating us at the market and the on-site garden before starting on the meals. You can choose 3 dishes to make plus the dessert. If you are a couple you can make and try 6 dishes between you, which we did. The instructions were clear, the process was fun and the results were delicious. A bonus was a booklet of all the recipes at the end. I can't recommend this enough. It was such a fun experience on a beautiful farm in Chiang Mai. I enjoyed the quick stop to the market on the way as well. I took many photos but also received several professional quality photos taken by our instructor, who was awesome. So is informative and energetic. She made the whole experience really fun. This was definitely a highlight of my solo trip to Thailand.